I want you to picture this, okay? Your coffee's cold, your computer, it fell asleep, and your finger is hovering like it's begging to click. You think you've been patient. You deserve something to show up on the charts. But that thought right there, that's the start of your next and biggest mistake. Because I know you've been at your desk for hours, scanning charts, watching every single pip, just waiting for something to move. And you start to feel it. And it's a creeping frustration. And it's a voice, really, that says there has to be something to trade. So what do? You start clicking through pairs, you change time frames, hell, you even incorporate different strategies, anything to feel like you're actually doing something. Because sitting here doing nothing makes you feel like you're failing. But this is where you and most traders will get lost. I've been there before too. You think the market owes you an opportunity just because you showed up. You mistake the time you've spent for time earned. You expect the market to reward your effort, your studying, your patience, but the market doesn't care who you are and it doesn't know who you are. This is the 8th rule of my 11 golden rules of a highly profitable trade mindset. You are owed nothing, not even a setup. And before I continue, I'll say this. One of the biggest shifts that separates consistent traders with everyone else is this. They stop trading with the expectation of something. It doesn't become transactional anymore. They don't show up waiting for opportunity. They show up waiting for confirmation. They know that most days they'll get nothing, and that's fine because nothing is part of a trader's job. Because the market doesn't reward effort any more than the sea rewards a sailor who shouts at the wind. You cannot demand the tide to move when you're ready to sail. You have to wait for the current. You study the conditions, you learn the rhythm, and when it's time, you move with it, not against it. And this entitlement in trading, it's very subtle. It sneaks in as thoughts like, I've been disciplined all week, I deserve a win, or this setup looks close enough. Now that quiet sense of I should be rewarded leads to forcing trades, taking half-assed setups, breaking rules, and giving back weeks, even months of progress in a few impulsive clicks. Where patience, on the other hand, is what separates the desperate from the consistent. It's what allows you to sit through these quiet and still markets without inventing trades that simply do not exist. It's what stops you from chasing just because you want the market to move. And the true strength in trading is not in control. It's in surrender. The power to let the market move without you and feel nothing about it. But there's some irony in this though. The moment you stop expecting the market to serve you, finally starts to reward you because now you're no longer trying to control it because you're in rhythm with it. You take what it gives when it gives it, no more, no less. And that is how you stay alive long enough to win. You make money when you press buy and sell, but you lose money when you're not willing to wait. And that way you don't demand, you don't expect, you just wait. Ready, calm, and absolutely certain that when your setup comes, you'll be ready to take it.